What will happen if you plank every day for 2 minutes? Body weight exercises are lately making quite a buzz in the fitness world, thanks to its simplicity and practicality that allow you to get in shape through your own body weight. Planks are one type of body weight exercise that never gets old no matter what. This exercise is perfect for those who lead a busy life and find it very difficult to go to the gym due to time constraints. Doing a plank every day, even just for a minute, helps strengthen your entire core. Keep on watching to know what happens to you when you do planking every day for 60 seconds. It significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal column injury. When exercising, there's also the risk of getting back and spine injuries. With planking, you will strengthen your back muscles without needing to put too much pressure on your hips and spine. As a result, it helps ease back pain, all the while helping you have a great posture when sitting and walking. It benefits you mentally. Did you know that plank exercises have a certain influence on our nerves? Consequently, this makes them an amazing method of improving a person's overall mood. Through planks, you can calm your brain while helping you treat anxiety. So, will you start doing planks tomorrow? If so, make sure to come back here and share your results after a month of regular planking. In the meantime, you can leave some comments below about this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more videos.